In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. If you want to quickly find, organize, or review the people you're connected with on LinkedIn, the good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you're trying to reconnect with someone, browse your professional network, or narrow down your contacts based on certain details like where they work or where they're located. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your homepage. At the top of the page, look for the My Network icon and click on it. This is the section where LinkedIn keeps all of your networking activity and contact-related tools. Once you're in the My Network area, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Connections. This will open the full list of people you're connected with on LinkedIn. From here, you can scroll through your network and review all of your contacts in one place. If you want to organize the list a little better, use the drop-down options available on the page. These let you sort your connections in different ways, such as by recently added or by name. Sorting by recently added can be helpful if you've made new contacts and want to find them quickly, while sorting by name is useful when you want a more alphabetical, easy-to-scan list. If you're looking for someone specific and don't want to scroll through your entire network, use the Search by Filters option. This feature helps you narrow down your connections based on details like company, location, or industry. For example, if you only want to see people from a certain company or a particular city, these filters can save you a lot of time and make your search much more precise. As you use these options, keep in mind that LinkedIn's layout may vary slightly depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or another device, but the overall process is generally the same. The key thing to remember is that everything starts from the My Network section, then the Connections page, and then the Sort or Filter tools. That's all it takes to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Once you know where this section is, it becomes much easier to manage your network and find the right people when you need them.